Hi, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld with the K Grant Group, part of my home group real estate out of Scottsdale, Arizona. Today we're in South Scottsdale and I'm getting ready to give you a tour of one of the investment properties that my husband and I personally own here in the 85251 zip code. Our tenant just moved out today, and so we're getting ready to start renovations tomorrow to turn this 3-2 into a 4-2 and truly make it into an amazing investment opportunity. So come with me and I'll show you what the property currently looks like, as well as walk through with you what it is we're planning on doing with this property. So here we are in the current kitchen. As you can see right now, when you're in this kitchen, the first thing I notice is how cut off I am from the main living space due to these upper cabinets that we have. Also, this has one of the older cabinet styles where you can see it has a bar height as well as the counter height. So as we look at redoing this kitchen space, what we're going to do is we're going to actually remove these uppers as well as remove this faucet that they're on to make the ceiling just a nice level space in between the kitchen and the main area. We're also going to be lowering this cabinet to make it that it's more of an island that's just connected on the one wall. And we're going to do a little bit of an overhang here with a large quartz countertop that allows seating here and will allow as well still to keep these lower cabinets. Up above where the uppers are, we're planning on hanging some pendant lighting, removing this chandelier, and then adding some canned pocket lighting up above this area to really lighten up the room and just open it up even further. On this back wall, we'll be also hopefully removing this faucet area up above so we can make larger upper cabinets for storage, something no one can ever have enough of. And then we're going to slightly reconfigure these cabinets here to allow a slide-in range to be put right here in the middle and to extend the counter, the usable counter space here for our future tenants. So demo on this kitchen will be starting tomorrow. We've just recently ordered the cabinets, which should be in approximately 2 to 3 weeks. And as we progress with this remodel, we'll be sure to keep you updated.